So here we go. This is the new Mathews 2022 V3X. All right, this one is in the new color, the granite. Absolutely love it. Right here in the top drawer. See, haha, the mailman has come. And what has he delivered? New gas ghosts bowstrings for the Mathews. So today my goal is to get these on, get them set up, shoot them, get them ready to hunt tomorrow. All right, now these strings are absolutely fantastic. Now, I'm a little biased now since Gas recently started supporting my YouTube channel, Man Child Outdoors. All right, that's wicked awesome. Gas strings are amazing anyways, and that's why I asked them. Because I don't want anybody on board with Man Child Outdoors that I don't believe in and back fully, whether they're supporting the channel or not. I don't want to go in the woods and spend hours upon hours and all this money and all this time to hunt, to have a product in my hand that I don't truly believe in. When it comes crunch time, when you have that 2 seconds to decide, everything has to work. I can't think about, is my peep gonna line up? Is my cams in time? Anything like that. And that's just to do with the strings, not to mention broadheads and arrows and bows and clothing and the GoPro that I'm recording with now. So, they also gave me a stay field system cable that they make too. So if you're not aware, with the new Mathews, and I will do a review on this bow after the strings are on it, a full review, so watch for that video coming up soon. They have these little tabs now, if you're not aware, on these new Mathews V3X. All right, there's two sets. There's a set down here, and there's a set up here, and I hope you see they're down there and up here. So if I squeeze this cable like this and bring the cable and bring the cams together, I can string this on there, release the tension of the string. There'll be slack in this string now. I can unhook it. I can put twists in for my peep. It's amazing. It's great. So like they say, you can stay afield. You don't need this bow press in the field. Now, I have the bow press at home, so I'm going to utilize it. However, I could use this for everything other than changing these cables. I could change the string. I can't change these cables. I have to take the cam off, and obviously to use this, you have to have the cam on. So there's that. But you can do everything else. Now, I can tune my cams with that, though. When I don't have to remove the cams, I can disconnect a cable and put a twist in it or take a twist out or whatever if they're not hitting right. So if the cams are out of sync, I can tune that in the field. So if something happens, I don't know anything, and I notice that, holy shit, my bow's not in tune, I can fix that. Say I'm at a 3D shoot and I travel to go to, say, a Reinhardt 100. I love them shoots. There you go. All right, so I always tend to be long-winded. I apologize. Let's cut this short and let's break this thing down and get the strings on it, because like I said, I don't want to be making this video all day. I want to be out shooting so I can hunt this bow with these new strings tomorrow. All right, let's do this. I am all done setting up these strings. You can see I have the white and the grays on there now. Here they are. What do you think of them? Yeah, look at them suckers. Alright, so I shot it. It's good for 20 and 30 yards. 30 being my maximum right now. Still got some like ultra fine tuning to do. But I'm going to take it hunting tomorrow. 20, 30 yards, I'm good. It's shooting to the target great. No issues there. I definitely have to break them in. And getting them shooted good. You know what I'm saying? Perfect. You know, for like 3D or something. But for hunting, they are more than enough dialed in. So I'm going to take them out tomorrow morning. And hopefully something comes by me. I'm only 15 yards, 10, 15 yards from a scrape. And, you know, between 10 to 20 yards from a trail that deer like to travel on. So it's more than capable of harvesting a deer tomorrow. So it's going to go out with me tomorrow. I'm going to try to break these strings in the right way with some blood on them. I don't know if that'll work out for me, because seeing deer late season is a little tough. It's a little bit of work and a whole lot of luck. So we'll see. But right now it's dialed in. I was out there shooting the broadheads with it. They're shooting good. I got it dialed in for the broadheads. So everything's perfect. I'm going to take them out tomorrow. So if I was you, I would definitely get a pair of aftermarket bowstrings. Now, I am definitely biased, and I love the gas. They're supporting Man Child Outdoors now, and so I'm definitely going to tell you, go out and buy gas. I love them. But definitely don't use the stock zebras. And I'm saying this because I fought peep rotation so bad when setting this bow up straight from the dealer. When I went to the dealer on release day and I picked up this bow, I hated the zebra strings. I had such a hard time. I fucked with these strings for hours trying to get the peep rotation out. My peep kept rotating, it kept rotating, it kept rotating, it kept moving no matter what I did. It kept screwing up on me. I was getting pissed. I wanted to throw the bow at a certain point. Like, I was just losing my patience. Honestly, I haven't had a single problem with peep rotation out of this. I took the little string and, you know, I put it in here, you have the little string in there, and I put it where my peep goes. I unpressed it, I put the peep in, I put it in backwards, I flipped it around, and then, hey, I never had to touch it again. Like, I've shot probably 30 arrows out of this thing already, and it's staying put. It is staying put. Now, these strings, they say they're set and they're broken after just a few shots, and I believe it because it's not moving at all. Now, I'm sure it's freezing outside, so when it gets a little warmer and, you know, they break in a little bit, I'm sure I'm going to have to do some micro adjusting. But that's it. Ultra micro adjusting. Like, it's set, it's trustworthy, it's ready to go. So I'm going to hunt it tomorrow because I believe in it, I trust it. And I definitely think gas bowstrings are the way to go. If you look at some pictures I have on my Facebook, you'll see I have 5 sets of them sitting on that table that have been on 5 different bows. This is the first year that gas has hooked me up, and this is the first year that gas has supported my channel. 4 years in a row, I bought gas bowstrings. I took money out of my wallet and I bought them 4 years in a row, and I would have bought them 5 years in a row because that's how good they are. Like, they can have my money any day. I believe in their product. I use it, and if they said, hey, we really don't want to support your channel or whatever, I would have said, like, totally understand, it's awesome, don't worry about it. And guess what? I would still have on my bow. I'd still have gas bowstrings on my bow because this channel will not support something that I don't believe in and I don't trust. So get out there, hunt, shoot a big buck. Definitely shoot me pictures of it. I want to see it. I want you to comment on my videos. I want you to send me pictures of your harvest. I want you to give me tips. I want you to give me advice. And if you need tips or you need advice, please, I'll ask and I'll hook you up with whatever information I can. I've been hunting forever. I'm not perfect. I'm not a professional hunter. I make mistakes. Probably make more mistakes than anything else, seems like sometimes, but I also have a lot of success too. So, Man Child Outdoors, get that bow tuned up, get out in the woods, get in the tree, get you a big buck, go home, cut that sucker up, have you a good dinner, and then, hey, send me a picture of your harvest because I definitely want to see it, and I'm definitely excited for you whenever you can make that happen. Man Child Outdoors, baby. Got it done today. Super excited about this doe. Most people wouldn't think much of a doe, but I am totally stoked. really wanted to fill this doe tag today with the new Mathews V3X. I just put these white gas ghost strings on it yesterday. Spent a good part of the afternoon getting it dialed, shooting the broadheads when I was done, and making sure everything was right. And here's the reward. Here's the final result of all that hard work. Jerky, brother. Jerky and backstrap and loins. Get them loins. But I love these strings. You can see these new white gas bowstrings. Absolutely love them on the V3X. The new granite color for 2022. Got it all dialed up. Last year with the V3, before the close of the season, I wasn't lucky enough to fill a tag with it, but got it done today. So I'm so excited about this. Here we go, little photo op there, my little, yay. All right, so get home, get this girl quartered up and in the cooler. She's gonna be dinner tonight.